This is a 1955 Zenith R512W.
Hall of Fame.
And this is
It's a good time of year.
never before seen, never before heard of
this year include
variation of the Broadway. It has the screen here, which is different from the normal Broadways. The normal Broadways have the gold metal with the holes. This one's got a screen. But what makes it really unusual is that the knobs are also covered in that screen. I've never seen that in any Broadway. And Zenith is not a manufacturer that's known for one-offs. They were a large radio manufacturer, so the models that they manufactured came with very few variations because of economies of scale. They had very similar colors, they had interchangeable parts, and unlike some of the smaller manufacturers, you don't find too much production eccentricities. So this one's in excellent condition. It's ivory with brown knobs, handle, and buttons. No cracks, no chips. It sounds great, loud.
Films caught
Light
on
works.
tape, which is
all the stations come in loud and clear.
his team.
Boys would take
Minor delay. Offices.
step from the Squaresky break.
An island.
Can't afford coffee, Sanka.
What's really weird about this design is these are station preset buttons. They're not set currently, but they do work. This is the one that this is the only button that that you need to press if you want to do use the tone knob. I'm sorry, the tuning knob to tune in the station. If you do presets, you see the tuning knob doesn't work. This is the only button that turns it back to the use of the tuning knob. Very weird. And it's not labeled either, so you sort of have to figure it out.
No reason to really be
Maybe it was in the
game at this moment.
owner's manual, but owner's manual's long since been lost. So anyway, it's a great radio. It's been sitting in our private collection for many, many, many years. And today you'll see it posted for sale.